Hello everyone, in this video we're going to look at deferred or prepaid expense. This is an adjusting entry we need to do at the end of the accounting period. A deferred or prepaid expense is an asset arising from the payment of cash that has not been used or consumed by the end of the period. As the expense is incurred, the asset is reduced. Okay, the example that we're going to look here is the supplies. Assume that Porter Properties is calendar year company had 4,581. Let's make it bigger here. 4,581 of office supplies on hand at the beginning of November. On November 10, the company purchased office supplies for 12,365. Okay, the amount of the purchase was added to the supplies account. So if you add these two, your supplies account has a $16,946 balance. However, at the end of December, okay, when they look at their supplies, the actual physical supplies, the count shows that there is only $3,263 value of supplies left. Okay, so that means we have been using supplies day-to-day operation. We use the supplies, and there is no transaction at the end of December, but we have to recognize supplies expense for the amount of supplies that we have already used. So on November 10, to record the purchase, okay, we have supplies. On debit, our supplies goes up for 12,365,000, and we paid cash for that purchase. Okay, 12,365,000. Okay, so our cash goes down by 12,365. Okay, you see there is a decrease in cash there. Our supplies goes up, and we start with the beginning supplies of 4,581. So that's the beginning supplies. And then we purchase 12,365. So the total should be 16,946, the same as that one, right? So that's the total supplies. However, at the end, we see only 3,263 here. Instead of 16,946, the count shows there's only 3,263 supplies. So that is not accurate. We have to make that accurate by recognizing the supplies expense for the supplies that have been used. So this is our adjusting entries. We have to recognize supplies expense, and the amount is 16,946, the total supplies, minus what we found, 3,263. Okay, so 13,683 must have been used. So we recognize that as our supplies expense, 13,683. Okay, and then we have to adjust our supplies account. So one income statement account and one balance sheet account by the same amount, 13,683. So if we put that as a reduction of our supplies, the ending balance should match the count. Okay, so that's the same amount. So now we are reporting our supplies as much as the count result, 3,263. So that's the accurate ending balance. And we recognize supplies in December, that period, 13,683. Okay, so that's how we prepare the adjusting entry for recognizing supplies expense. And that's one of the deferred or prepaid expenses. Okay, thank you for watching.